What's going on, guys? My name is Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to install a 2.5-inch SATA SSD in your computer. So here's what you're going to need for this project. An SSD, of course, and usually a screwdriver, a micro screwdriver, some M3 screws to secure it, and a SATA data cable. Today I'm going to be installing this Kingston A400 240GB SSD into this Dell Inspiron desktop. Let's get to it. While you're at it, you're probably going to want to take the opportunity to clean your computer inside and out because trust me, it gets really dusty really fast. First, you can vacuum off any visible dust or spiderwebs on the outside of your case, especially around any fan grills or air vents, usually found on the sides or back. Then you can just wipe off any additional dust with a microfiber or other cleaning cloth. Once it's clean enough, you can find the appropriate screwdriver and unscrew the side panel, usually secured with 2 Phillips head screws, or on many Dell Optiplex and Precision models, this spring-loaded latch system which you just pull back until the side panel tilts down and out. In most cases, however, you just remove the screws and slide back using the hand grip as necessary. Once the panel has been removed, you can repeat the cleaning process on the inside, vacuum up and wipe off dust, being very careful not to get close to any circuit boards or exposed contacts, as it may result in an electrostatic discharge or short circuit. Now that the dust has been dealt with, we can actually start installing the SSD. First, we're going to want to find our SATA power and data connections. For power, you want to look for a plug like this. If you don't see any free, you may have to open up the other side panel or something because whoever built your computer needed somewhere to get them out of the way. If you still can't find any, you may have to use one of these Molex to SATA power adapters, which allows you to use, well, SATA devices on Molex power, or you can use one of these splitters to adapt from 1 to 2, but you still have to check your power supply wattage to make sure it can handle it. Or you can just unplug something else. Once the power has been sorted out, you can look for the data connector. Usually you will find a group of 4 facing out, however, other motherboards may have it laid out differently. Once you've found that, you need the SATA data cable from earlier. When you are attaching the cables, you want to make sure that you check the orientation because SATA is a keyed connector, meaning it only connects one way. If there's a spot both cables can comfortably reach, because the SSD is so light, you can just let it stay attached to the cables and not secure it to the chassis. But if you're planning to move the computer, or it could fall into a fan or something, you may want to secure it with an M3 size screw using a micro screwdriver set. Then, well, you're done. All there is left to do is to reattach the side panel the same way you took it off. Well guys, leave a like below if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful. Leave a comment to let me know if you have any suggestions or anything. Subscribe if you like my videos, and I hope to see y'all in the next one.